In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transit time on Shopify. If you're managing an online store on Shopify, setting up accurate transit times for your shipping rates is crucial to meet customer expectations and ensure a smooth transaction process. So, let's walk through the steps to effectively manage this aspect of your shipping settings, ensuring your customers are well informed about the delivery timelines for their orders. First, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard of your Shopify store. From there, look at the bottom left of your screen, and you'll see the Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a range of different settings for you to adjust according to your store's needs. But today our focus is specifically on shipping, so within these settings, select Shipping and Delivery. This is where you control everything related to how goods are shipped to your customers. Once you're in the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll notice your current shipping profiles. These profiles are where you determine how different products or orders are shipped, according to your specifications. Choose the shipping profile you want to edit by clicking on it. This is taking you directly to where you can manage your shipping rates and add those all-important transit times. Now, if you're setting up a new shipping rate within this profile, you'll want to opt for Add Rate. Upon doing this, a menu will appear offering you the option to select a transit time from the Shipping Rate drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several commonly used options such as Standard, Express, or Economy. Each option represents a different estimated delivery time frame, allowing you to align your customers' expectations with your logistics capabilities. Select the option that best suits the new rate you're creating. On the flip side, if you have an existing shipping rate that you'd like to adjust, locate the rate, and you'll notice a small eye or ellipsis icon next to it. Click on this and then choose Edit Rate. Doing this brings up detailed settings for that shipping rate, including the transit time options. Again, you'll be presented with the same drop-down menu featuring Standard, Express, or Economy. Choose the appropriate transit time that matches the current logistics arrangement for that specific rate. After making the necessary changes, there's a small but vital step left: clicking Done. This ensures that your selected options are confirmed. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This action locks in your changes and updates your shipping profile with the newly adjusted transit times. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up transit times for your Shopify shipping rates, keeping your customers well informed and maintaining a smooth shipping process. Remember, clear communication is key to a positive shopping experience, and accurate transit times play a significant role in achieving that. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.